All right, hey, what's up, y'all? This is Paul C. Tiarina, nutritional therapist, lifestyle and performance coach with the SHT in Vegas. And I want to talk to you about this hydration talk we got coming up on Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's freaking awesome. I'm going to give you the details of it, but I want to tell you why we're even learning this stuff together. We are trying to bring people together who for most of their lives have been lost and confused when it comes to health, and now they're seeking clarity and confidence. And so we learn health concepts together, such as this talk on hydration and everything water, right? We come up with specific goals that we can implement from this information we learn, and then we support each other throughout the entire process, right? So we're all about education, experience, and experiments, and then support. All right, we're doing this so we can be happy and healthy and look, feel, and perform amazing and live our best lives possible. All right, that's what we're here to do. So the way that we implement this is we have a broad 90-day plan. Today or this month we're in natural solutions. Next month we're covering flexible animal-based omnivore, which is awesome. The progression that we went through last year was a game changer. It's evolved. So June is flexible animal-based omnivore. In August we'll be covering stuff on hiking, grounding, camping, being outdoors, and nature 101 type stuff. Within each month we've got these little weekly seminars and topics. So this month we've done natural solutions, last week we did body care products, and this week we're doing hydration. If you're in our little community, to support us throughout the week, we have daily questions and polls, which are really, really cool. We've really been enjoying that. So why talk about hydration? So there's a lot of different roles inside the body for water. And a lot of people are not aware of these different roles. And when you understand what water does inside the body, you start to have a new respect for it. Tap water is crap water. And if you didn't know that, drinking tap water compared to filtered water is like eating processed food is compared to eating real food. All right, so if we want to look, feel, and perform our best, we have to factor in quality of water because we consume so much water in a day. We can go days and weeks without food. We can't go that long without water. It's an integral part of our health. And so the quality of water has to be at the forefront of our mind because we're consuming it all day long. All right, so in this talk, we're going to talk about the roles of water inside the body, which is super fascinating. We're going to talk about the early signs of dehydration and the mature signs of dehydration. And this stuff is really interesting because a lot of the symptoms we're experiencing may not be food related. We'll talk about filtration types, carbon filtration, block carbon, granulated carbon, reverse osmosis, distilled, and the different benefits of each one. We'll talk about the debate around alkaline water versus non-alkaline water. And then we'll talk about different water options. So installing your own filtration system, bottled water options, sparkling water options, flavored water options, and then also mineralized hydration. And we'll have a cameo by our local water expert, Joy Parker from Pure Team Filtration Systems. All right, really excited about that. So this mind-blowing talk with all the information, with the recorded video afterwards, with the handouts and resources and links and everything that we talk about is $20. CrossFit Combine members get this talk for free. You can attend live on Friday at 10 Pacific Standard Time, which we highly encourage you to join us through the live talk because there you can ask questions and interact with other people. It's really dynamic, it's awesome. And of course, members of our online community, SuperHumans United, get this for free as well. It will be in the course curriculum after we're done with it. And if you don't know about our community, check out the video at community.superhumantransformation.com. This place is awesome. It's growing every day. It's dynamic, it's interactive, and it's all designed around supporting us down our own personal health journeys, all right? And then if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, you can go to superhumantransformation.com and join our newsletter. You get updates of everything that we have going on, all right? So we look forward to seeing you at this hydration talk. Let me know if you have any questions.